Alright, so this has a little clip. I took that clip out. That clip goes on the bottom right there. And then this is connected to this, which goes up top. That's the reason why we popped the hood. Since I pulled that out, this just came out with it. And bam. We good. Now, just gotta replace the other one with the new one. But I ordered the part and I ordered the wrong part, but I called AutoZone. They said they should have one, so I'm about to shoot down to AutoZone and go grab a new clutch master cylinder. This one looks fine too. So maybe it was a slave. But either way, I'm changing everything, man. I don't want to change this or change the slave cylinder, and it was this. So when it comes to clutch and all that, I just change everything. That way you don't have no problems in the future. That way you're not dipping down PCH with a bad one and your damn clutch pedal gets stuck to the floor again because you didn't just change the master cylinder also when you changed the slave cylinder. So I just changed both of them every time I change them. So yeah, about to hit up AutoZone and get a new one. Cool, so I got the new part now. It came with the O-ring that goes on this cylinder right here. So I'm gonna take that O-ring off right there, put the new one on, then put the new cylinder on and start getting it cracking. All right, so I put the O-ring on in there, bam. I put this on this, put some grease on that. Now I gotta feed this tube right back through there so it can get back through the hood. And then I gotta take this off and then put that on there, you know? Start putting everything back together, man. All right, let's get it. All right, so now we down at the slave cylinder. She already got it out. I'm not playing, man. My bad, I forgot about y'all. You know, I'm kind of new to this YouTube stuff. But, go up here, I use the jack to hold up the transmission. I took off the 4 bolts that hold it. Then I loosened up the 2 13s that go on top. I slid that back so I can have some room so I can stick the socket in there. 2 13 millimeters. 2 13 millimeters. Put those in there. I mean, I took those out, and then the slave cylinder comes out. Damn, no fluid coming up out of that thing. Trying to put some grease up on that thing so upon contact with the release bearing, you don't want to hear nothing. All right. So as I go install a new slave cylinder, right? I'm happy it happened now instead of me trying to dig this out of the damn transmission. Crazy. Anyway, gotta order another one now. I could just pop it back in, but I don't trust that. I don't even trust that brand. When I looked at it, I'm like, what's this? So what I'm gonna do is return it, get something better.